are here for our annual LGBT Pride March of Mumbai, which every year happens after the next weekend of Republic Day, that's 26th of Jan. So today is the 1st February 2014. We all are here to march for our sexuality and celebration of sexuality. This Pride March is very important for us because after the Supreme Court's judgment criminalizing homosexuality, we want to convey the message that it is against the basic fundamental human rights. So we want to tell the society in general and each and every public that we exist, we are here, we are queer, get used to it. So in short, this Pride March is against all kind of discrimination, against all kind of violence which happen in India against the queer people. So we are here to support them and against the Supreme Court judgment which is against the human rights.
Isn't the word queer an insult? How is it being used as a pride?
Any word can be used as an insult. It's not only queer or the traditional bad words, slang words that are, bad. Like queer for me is an open state of mind, a state of mind in which you're not bound by societal rules as to what a man should be, what a woman should be, how you should have sex with men, how you should have sex with women. It's nothing about that. Queer for me is actually a positive word, an enlightened word, I would say. But you can use the same word, people can use the same word to insult someone, so it depends on how you use it.
So around 3:30 we're going to start with some instructions to the crowd, and you will see the warriors against 377, me and Harish coming and announcing all these announcements. And after that we'll be calling people who want to come and talk on the stage. So we'll have some speeches by people. We'll end the speeches with the singing Hum Hoge Kamyab, and immediately after that you will see that the pride flag will open, and we'll all follow the QAM banner and walk towards Nana Chowk. At Nana Chowk we'll have a lot of music, so we'll have Dole, we'll be singing Nancy the Dole, and we'll end at Opera House. We're going to leave some balloons there, and that's where we'll be singing there.
Thank you. Media person, you have been covering it for years. So what have you learned up till now? What the situation like this? What's your point on the law and on the whole scenario?
Of course, I mean, as a media, I feel responsible to cover this because I think this is something of a huge moment, not just for our society, but as a country as a whole. And I think as a media, we should be more out there to tell stories, not just of the queer community, but the backlash they are facing from the judicial system, from the political system, from the police system, as well as from the society. I can really understand that there is a general fear when you travel in the trains. There's a harassment by people. People call out names, and when you criminalize it, when you put a tag on it, I think that's the worst thing that we can do. And with Section 377, as rightly everyone over here has said, it's not just the queer community. It affects you, me, and all the people in general. It's the heterosexuals, the homosexuals, it's anyone who's human being. And I think it's the judicial system should not have any right to tell how or in which manner a person should have sex or to comment on anyone's sexual life. I think it's something apart inside a bedroom, and I think it should remain there. The court should be outside the bedroom.
Okay, thank you so much.
एनजीओ को छोड़ के अगर आप कॉर्पोरेट में काम करते हैं, मल्टीनेशनल एमएनसीज में अगर काम करते हैं, तो आपके साथ कोई अलग सलूक किया जाता है?
सवाल ही नहीं होता है कहीं और जगह पे काम करने का, क्योंकि कहीं और जगह पे काम करने के लिए अवेलेबिलिटी है ही नहीं, वहाँ पे वो लेते ही नहीं है काम के लिए। क्योंकि जब भी देखा गया है एज पर माई नॉलेज कि इस समाज को या इस समुदाय को एक घृणास्पद नजरों से ही देखा जाता है, एक गंदी नजर से ही देखा जाता है कि ये ट्रांसजेंडर है या ये हिजड़ा है, या तो ये सिर्फ भीख मांगते होंगे या सिर्फ ये सेक्स वर्क करते होंगे। इनके अलावा इनको पास कुछ है नहीं, अक्ल विकल, या इनको और कुछ आता नहीं है। मेनली ये लोगों का सब मेंटेलिटी बनी हुई है, तो इसकी वजह से उनको कोई आगे बढ़ने देता नहीं या फिर कोई अपनी जगह पर रखता नहीं। उन लोग सोचते हैं कि अगर हम इनको कॉर्पोरेट लेवल पे या किसी और सेक्टर में अगर हम इनको जॉब देंगे या उनको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे तो शायद ये वहाँ पे भी आके गंदगी फैलाएंगे करके। तो मोस्टली उनका मेंटेलिटी ये रहा है कि अगर ये कॉर्पोरेट लेवल पे आएंगे तो इन लोग यहाँ पे भी उसी तरीके से हरकतें करेंगे।
मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा। हम प्राइड मार्च क्यों करते हैं? प्राइड मार्च आज इसलिए कर रहे हैं ये बताने के लिए कि हम इस समाज का हिस्सा है, भारतीय समाज में हमारा हिस्सा है और हम इस देश के जो भी हित में या जो भी इस देश में काम चल रहा है उसका हम हिस्सेदार हैं। हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि लेस्बियन, गे, बाइसेक्सुअल और ट्रांसजेंडर समाज एक मिनिस्क्यूल माइनॉरिटी होने के कारण हमारे अधिकार नहीं है। सेक्शन 377 का जो है जरूर वो डिक्रिमिनलाइज होना चाहिए। जो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट था वो अपहोल्ड होना चाहिए, वो नहीं हुआ है। ठीक है, गलत बात है, मगर हमारी लड़ाई चालू रहेगी या नहीं रहेगी? क्या हम हमारे अधिकारों के लिए बात करने वाले हैं? हम करने वाले हैं। अगर जरूरी है कि हम पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस का हिस्सा बने तो हम उस पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस का हिस्सा बनना पड़ेगा हमारे अधिकारों के लिए। आपको क्या लगता है, हमें बनना पड़ेगा? जरूर। तो मुझे सिर्फ आपको यही कहना था और आगे जाके आई थिंक लक्ष्मी और एक की बात कर सकते हैं।
गुड आफ्टरनून, नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हाँ या नहीं? आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही। हाउ आर यू? फाइन। क्या आप लोग उदास है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने वापस खारिज कर दिया? हाँ या ना? पर हम हार मानेंगे नहीं। यही है हमें तुम लाख ठुकराओ, हमें पत्थर से अगर आप धूल बनाने की कोशिश करोगे हम धूल नहीं बनेंगे। सही है कि गलत? हमें उसी पार्टी को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए जो हमारा मैंडेट को और हमारे इश्यूज को अपने मैनिफेस्टो में डाले या हमारे लिए वो हमारे साथ खड़ा रहे, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा एक हथियार है हमारे पास हमारा वोट, जो लोगों को लगता है बहुत कम है। हमें और अब एक साथ जुट होके पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस में उनको समझाने की जरूरत है और हमें हार नहीं मानना चाहिए। आज का दिन अगर अंधेरा है, कल हमारा सवेरा जरूर आएगा। और मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ, जब सेक्शन 377 लाया गया तब भी हम थे। 2009 में जब इसे डिक्रिमिनलाइज किया गया तब भी हम थे। अब वापस क्रिमिनलाइज किया गया है, अब भी हम हैं और अब हम और बुलंदी से और एक साथ होके अपनी आवाजों को बुलंद करेंगे, हार नहीं मानेंगे और हमारी आखिरी सांसों तक हम अपने आने वाली पीढ़ी को, हर इंसान को उनका संवैधानिक हक, उनका मानवीय अधिकार दिला के रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
I've come from Delhi to support you all guys, and what are we asking here? We are asking for human rights for human beings. We are not asking for the sky. I'll keep it very short. I know it's a tough time. These are dark times, but it is time we have to hold each other's hand, be together, look out for each other, because we are more vulnerable than ever. Let me also remind you one thing, that the law of the land, the constitution of this country was written by mere human beings. And we, the same human beings, we the people of this country will reclaim what is rightfully ours. And we will not stop. This fight is for our rights and we shall continue to fight as long as it takes. I'm also happy to share with you that Northeast Guwahati is organizing the first Pride ever this coming Sunday. So we are not going back from here. There is more and more. We will come out in the streets, reclaim the streets more than ever. I just see a few slogans. So say with me. हम क्या चाहते? अरे हम क्या चाहते? करो कानून का अत्याचार। मेरा बिस्तर मेरा प्यार,
बंद करो कानून का अत्याचार।
मेरा बिस्तर मेरा प्यार,
बंद करो कानून का अत्याचार।
The law says that gay sex is unnatural.
No.
Is it unnatural?
No.
Are we criminals?
No.
Will you turn straight because it's unnatural, because someone tells you to?
No.
So, first of all, are you homosexual, heterosexual, bisexual?
I'm heterosexual. I'm a straight guy.
Oh, you're a straight guy. Do you think homosexuality, people say that homosexuality spreads when you're in close contact with homosexuals? Have you turned homosexual because since how much time have we chatting with each other?
Since 1 hour, I guess.
Oh, have you turned homosexual by now?
No.
Okay. Are you turning now?
No. Not really.
Oh, he has failed the gay test and he's still heterosexual. So anyone who would want to come and try and turn him homosexual, please come. He's open, right? You're open for...
Yeah, I'm open for it.
Yeah.
When I touch you, do you turn gay?
No.
Are you sure you're straight?
Yeah.
When did you realize you were straight?
Huh?
Did you turn straight because you were abused as a child?
No. What are you talking about?
Exactly my point. Same here. For the straight community, my message is, you don't have to be an animal to support animal rights. So you don't need to be LGBT to support LGBT rights. And LGBT rights are no different rights. They are equal rights. When we see LGBT rights, we are just saying that we want the same rights as you have. So for example, if you have the right to love your boyfriend or girlfriend, even I should have the right to love my boyfriend or girlfriend. Basically, whatever rights you already have with you, sometimes we take our rights for granted. You have the right to not be discriminated with. You have the right to health. You have a right to privacy. You have a right to dignity. The same thing, even if I'm of a different sexual orientations, I should also be given, and that's all we mean by LGBT rights. So I just want the straight community to also look at stand up for equality, and the main most important thing it is my humble request to the straight community that stand up against any sort of bullying which happens to LGBT people or any kind of homophobic slurs that happen. If you will just stand up once against any one person who is bullying a homosexual, maybe the people around you or the LGBT community, your own friends will be able to come out to you. Possibly you are making jokes without even realizing it, or others are making jokes and you're not standing up, and that's why your friends are losing faith in you. But believe me, if you stand up against even one, you will have people coming out to you and be there for you when you need us.
क्या मैसेज? सोसाइटी के लिए यही मैसेज है कि हम लोग को अंडरस्टैंड करो, जो है जैसे है हम लोग, जैसे हमारी फैमिली जैसे हम लोग को एक्सेप्ट करें, उसी हिसाब से आप भी हम लोग को एक्सेप्ट करो.